The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Hardin County, Illinois, southeastern Gallatin County, Illinois, north central Crittenden County, Kentucky, central Union County in northwestern Kentucky until 10:45 a.m. At 10:07 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 9 miles west of Sturgis, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Sturgis around 10:15 a.m. Morganfield and Breckenridge Center around 10:25 a.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Cave and Rock. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 10:45 a.m. for the following counties in Illinois, Gallatin and Hardin, and the following counties in Kentucky, Crittenden and Union. The National Weather Service has